Julie, Julie,
Mm-hmm.
can you push pause on that, please? I have something to tell you. Last night I ate all your Halloween candy. I ate all of it. My stomach hurts now. What? Your candy? Well, I ate it all, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, honey. It's okay? Oh, thank you, baby. Push pause.
No pausing.
Julie, so it's okay I ate all your candy? Yeah? My stomach hurts now. I ate a lot of it. All of it.
You eat a lot of my candy,
I ate all of it.
and you had to eat a food a little bit.
I love you, baby.